Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Acura MDX door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a plastic trim tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver. Begin by lowering your window all the way down and fully opening the door for easy access. Next, gently pry off the small sail panel, which is located near the mirror, using your trim tool. Now let's tackle the fasteners. Locate the small screw cover behind the door opener handle. Gently pry it open with a flathead screwdriver and remove the screw. Then, find the screw cover in the armrest storage well, pry it open, and remove the screw there as well. Finally, carefully pry up the power window switch panel, starting from the rear edge, and disconnect all attached electrical connectors. With the screws removed, it's time to detach the main panel. Insert your plastic trim tool between the door panel and the metal door frame, starting at the bottom edge. Firmly pull outward to release the white plastic pop rivet friction fasteners. Continue this process along the bottom and both sides. Once all clips are released, carefully lift the entire door panel straight upward to disengage it from the window channel. Almost there, with the panel lifted, you'll need to disconnect the remaining electrical connections. Carefully unclip the door subharness connector and the power mirror switch connector. Next, detach the inner handle cable and the latch cable from the door panel assembly. Remember to check the description for links to these products and other great deals. Take your time with these final connections to avoid any damage, and your door panel will be completely free.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.